Hey guys, Mcfgotmillk here. Welcome back to another auto video. In this video, I'm going to be doing a video on your exhaust. Have you ever been driving down the road, just minding your own business, and maybe you hit a bump or something, or maybe your truck or car is very rusty and your exhaust is very rusty, and you hear a loud noise, and you look underneath, and your exhaust is cut in half. Or maybe it just fell out of the clamp like mine did. Well, I'm going to teach you how to do it with super simple hand tools and how to put the exhaust right back in its place. So to get right into it, I'm going to be using just a simple ratchet. Everybody's daily hand tools, or what you can do to borrow at home. I apologize real quick because it is starting to pour outside, but let's say that it fell outside of the clamp. What you do is, again, I'm using simple ratchets, that's it. This is a 14 millimeter. I'm going to go on and I'm going to break it loose. Make sure you put it the right way first. And then again, should come off nice and simple and easy. Make sure you do the other side as well. And take it off, move it around a little bit. May have to loosen it a little bit more. There you go. So now let's say you just need to get a clamp. You buy yourself a U-bolt with the clamp. It goes in like that. It's a simple exhaust clamp. I'm gonna show you how to put them on. So first you're gonna have to lift your exhaust up, because again, they're being held together by these little rubber things. Nice and simple, you just lift it up where it fits into the hole, and then you just kind of push in to make sure that it lines up nice and neat. So keep pushing in until you get it just right. Things might be rusted, so you might have to really push it and really grab a hand of it and get it through into that hole. Just like that. Just work it little by little. And once it's in, where it's not moving anywhere, you're good to go. Take your U-bolt, just like that, undo it, put it around just like that, and it goes. Again, simple clamp. Take the nuts that come with it and put them on. There you go. And then don't forget about your other nut. Just like so. Then you take your ratchet, make sure you put it tight, put it on, and start tightening down. Do a little bit on one side. If it wants to get off, that'd be nice. Then go to the other side, start tightening the other side down. Like so. Watch your knuckles with the bolts that are hanging, because you don't want to make sure you hit them. That's not good. Trust me, it hurts. Nice and tight. Nice and tight, where that exhaust is not going anywhere. Just keep on tightening it down so you can't no more. Like so. And then you're good to go. That exhaust is not going anywhere. Just some more angles, which see. Just a simple clamp that fits right in. That exhaust is not going anywhere. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching for today's video. I was not lying when I said it started pouring. I am soaking wet, but it is what it is. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys learned something. If you guys could, please leave a comment, subscribe. If you guys could subscribe, it's free. It helps me out a whole lot. It makes me able to do videos like this for you guys. It'd be much appreciated. And as always, if you guys get any questions, comments, concerns, comments is below. And I'm looking forward to doing the next video and you guys watching. So thank you guys again for so much, and have a great day, and thank you for 10K.